Hey! What?
I was secretly recording the Hiccups girl.
How long have you been videoing me?
About a minute.
Oh, jeez. I'm sitting here playing Candy Crush.
With the Hiccups.
Yeah. No. Not funny.
How come you have the Hiccups?
Because I had a chelada.
So how far away is
Is that a dog?
It's a beer.
Oh.
Warren from here?
Can you hiccup again?
Yep, right there, just for you.
It's a long ways from her. Okay,
I have an
Caitlin,
itchy armpit.
time, your blue armpit.
How long is that?
Time to hiccup again. Do it again.
I can't do it.
Yes. On command. That's very good. Can you hiccup again? You're cracking me up. Do it
No.
again, please.
What happened to Amanda?
She's taking a shower. No.
Caitlin's gonna hiccup for you, Cat.
No.
Why are you
Oh.
Breathe.
Oh,
What's so funny?
I need my medicine. My allergy. Oh, I know. I don't need that one.
Caitlin's hiccuping just to giggle me up.
Giggle you up.
See, it works. Oh, my eyes are watering. I can't see.
Good job.
Sadie, Caitlin's gonna hiccup again. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Holy. Are they gone?
Maybe. I laughed too hard. Ugh.
Yeah,
They're like the gross hiccups.
Oh,
Where I could like feel the food in my stomach, you know?
re-experience your dinner hiccup.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Not quite though.
You get to retaste.
Only because I was laying down when I got the hiccups at first.
Callie looks skeptical. Don't you believe in the hiccups, Callie?
Okay, hold on like this. I can't do it.
I think we cured you.
I think so.
I used to interview you guys when you were little. Callie just scratched your belly.
Get that.
It was on there. I can't wait to play that back.
Ouch.
Wow.